So here's the box. This is the back end of it. Basically we gave it an accent piece right in the middle, just so the box didn't look boring. There's actually tape up under here. I thought about cutting this out, but I just don't have time, and I'm pretty well done. I've spent several days messing around with this thing. So there's a top end with 15s of slit. Came out nice. The size, of course, you know I like my handles. No good. And then that's the front side. Gave it an accent as well on the front. And then there's support. Hadn't decided if I'm going to make the screws protrude on the top. Probably with some stainless screws maybe. Hadn't decided yet. Still thinking about it with some washers or something. Just kind of, I don't know, make it look different. If you look on the inside, let's see, should be right over here. There's my block, which I got to drill holes in for the speaker wire to go in, and be done with that. So the port's not attached, so let's take a look at the port real quick. Put some weather stripping on it to make sure it's all good and sealed, so it doesn't go in like all the way good right now. Once I screw it in, it'll seal tight. Yeah, man.
If I survive tonight, I wouldn't change one thing. Baby, I know it sounds crazy, but there was something about the way the blue light was shining, bringing out the freedom in your eyes. I was too busy working. Never tell you enough that all I need in this life is your crazy love. If I never get to see the northern lights, or if I never get to see the Eiffel Tower at night, and if all I got is your hand in my hand, baby,